A hydrophilicity test of orthokeratology lenses was conducted today. First, an untreated OK lens sample was taken out, and a drop of normal saline was placed on the lens surface with a dropper. At that moment, the normal saline formed distinct droplets on the surface, failing to spread out and exhibiting significant hydrophobicity. Next, the chamber door was opened to place the sample inside, which was then closed and sealed tightly. Document parameters were adjusted. The processing time was set to 120 seconds and the power to 138 watts. Air was introduced as the working gas, and all operations were recorded. After the equipment was activated, the radio frequency red light was observed to turn on, indicating that plasma had been successfully excited and evacuated. Pressure maintained steadily. The chamber door was opened again to take out the plasma-treated OK lens sample. A drop of normal saline was dripped onto its surface. Once more, on the treated sample, the saline droplets spread and flattened rapidly, with an extremely small contact angle close to zero, demonstrating strong hydrophilicity. If you are interested in our products, here is our contact information. Feel free to get in touch with us at any time.